Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Zoho Marketing Automation, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the official Zoho Marketing Automation website. Once you land on the home page, locate the Sign Up button. Click on it to initiate the registration process. You will be directed to a new page where you can enter your details. Fill in the required fields such as your name, email address, and a strong password. Ensure that your password meets the security requirements outlined on the page. After entering your information, review the terms of service and privacy policy. If you agree to the terms, check the box indicating your acceptance. Next, click on the Sign Up button to proceed. A confirmation email will be sent to the address you provided. Check your inbox for an email from Zoho Marketing Automation. If you don't see it, be sure to check your spam or junk folder. Open the email and click on the confirmation link inside. This will direct you to a verification page confirming your email address. Once verified, you will be prompted to log in to your new account. Return to the Zoho Marketing Automation login page. Enter the email and password you used during registration. Click the Login button to access your account. Upon logging in, you may be greeted with a welcome tutorial. Follow the on-screen instructions to familiarize yourself with the interface. Take time to explore the dashboard and available features. You can set up your profile and preferences by navigating to the Settings section. Now you are ready to start creating and executing your marketing campaigns in Zoho Marketing Automation. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.